we've got loads of good stuff going on here over the Easter weekend at Excel Church. Starting on Good Friday evening, we're going to have a communion service, and on Easter Sunday we've got fun for all the family, including an egg hunt after the service and an Easter buffet. If you'd like to come along to that, you need to book your tickets for the buffet as soon as you can. Then on Easter Saturday, the day before Sunday that is, we are going for a walk, and you are welcome to join us. We're going to be going to Bumble Hole in Rowley Regis. Now you can either meet us there at 11 a.m. or you can meet us at Excel Church at 10:30 and we'll follow down together. If you want to make your own way there, we're going to get details at the welcome desk and we're going to post them online for the address so you can find your way there. If you need transport on the minibus, you can book that online as well. And once we've done our walk around Bumble Hole, there's a coffee shop to have a treat as well. So we hope you can join us over the Easter weekend here at Excel. Excel Companions is our luncheon which runs on a Thursday for senior citizens, and every so often we're going to be doing something new, Excel Companions Plus. So you're going to have a soup and a sarnie, followed by a short service and a sing-along, and then rounding off with coffee and cakes. The first one of those is going to be in April, so watch this space for more details of Excel Companions Plus coming soon. Groups are meeting this week, and we have groups on Wednesday and Thursday evenings and also on a Friday morning. So if you're not in a group yet, then please speak to one of our leadership team to get yourself in a group, or you can sign up via Exchange as well on our website. That's everything for Excel News. We hope you have a fantastic week and we'll see you back next Sunday for more. Oh, and happy Mother's Day.